Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Sweatcoin user looking to turn your hard-earned steps into real cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin in 2025, with some cool updates that make it even easier. Sweatcoin rewards you for staying active by converting your steps into coins, and now, withdrawing is simpler than ever. Let's dive in. First off, ensure your Sweatcoin app is updated to the latest 2025 version. This is crucial because newer features, like faster processing and more withdrawal options, are only available here. Open your App Store, search for Sweatcoin, and hit that update button if needed. Step 1. Launch the Sweatcoin app and log in with your account details. If you're new, quickly sign up, it's free and takes just a minute. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with your Sweatcoin balance. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet or Rewards section. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on it to view your available balance and any pending rewards. Step 3. Look for the Withdraw or Cash Out option. In 2025, Sweatcoin has streamlined this. Expect a user-friendly interface with choices like PayPal, bank transfer, or even direct gift cards. Step 4. Select your preferred withdrawal method and enter the necessary details, such as your PayPal email or bank account info. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Step 5. Confirm the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be a minimum threshold, like 10,000 Sweatcoins, so make sure you have enough built up. Finally, submit your request and wait for confirmation. Processing times are now faster in 2025, often just 1 to 3 business days. A few quick tips. Keep an eye on your email for verification codes, and always use secure networks to protect your info. That's it. You've just turned your sweat into cash. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and keep moving to earn more.